Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with a makeup tutorial. As you can see, if you want to know how I got this gorgeous green smoky eye look, keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and let's get right into it. Well, for the purpose of this makeup video, I've already done my brows and one eye look. I'm going to take my concealer and apply around my eyes and use my beauty blender to blend this out. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using only Juvia palettes, and I'm going to use a lot of them, so just take note of the different eyeshadow palettes and keep watching. So now I'm taking a green eyeshadow and I'm applying it on my crease area, and then I'm going to go in with an orange color from the same palette and then apply it above my crease to create a shading effect. Next, I'm going to go in with a dark chocolate color from another Juvia palette and apply this to the outer corners of my eye. If you notice, I have a sellotape at the end of my edges of my eyes. This is supposed to give it a very sharp look by the time I take the eyeshadow off. Now I'm going to go in with another green eyeshadow and apply this around my lids. Next, I'm going to apply my eyeliner. Try as much as possible to apply your eyeliner as straight as possible, making use of the Urban Decay All Nighter foundation mixed with my Maybelline Fit Me matte foundation in the color 340, and the Urban Decay color is in 8.75. I'm going to use a brush and apply this and then use my beauty blender to press it in. After that, I'm going to make use of my concealer in NARS and then apply this at the high points of my face that I want to be highlighted. After that, I'm going to make use of my Sacha Buttercup setting powder to bake. Then I'm going to go in with the True Complexion Black Radiance palette and contour my face. Now I'm using the Morphe blush palette to apply my blush. Elf highlighter to highlight the points of my face I want to be highlighted. After that, I'm going to take my lip liner and line the edges of my lip, and then I'm going to take a red lipstick from Maybelline and apply on my lips. I didn't like the way my lips was looking, so I decided to take a nude color to give it more like an ombre look. So that's it about the makeup video, and this is how I achieved this look. If you have any specific question, you could leave it in the comment section and I'll get back to you, and see you in my next video. Thank you guys for watching.